Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's lesson we will be learning how to calculate accounting ratios in MS Excel. So in a question where we are asked to find accounting ratios, we will always be given balance sheet and trading and profit and loss account of a firm, and then of course the ratios that we have to find out. So the first step is that we have to recreate these financial statement in MS Excel. I've already recreated these financial statements in MS Excel and also typed the ratios that we are asked to find out. So now all that we have to do is apply the formulas which are used to find out these ratios and get its value. So we'll start from current ratio, which is current asset divided by current liability. And here we'll give cell reference of current asset and current liability. Current assets divided by current liabilities and enter. Now quick ratio. Quick ratio is quick asset divided by current liabilities. Now quick asset is basically current assets, but it does not include prepaid asset and closing inventory. So what we are going to do here is that we will sum up sundry debtors, cash in hand, bank account and bills receivable. So we have ignored prepaid asset and closing inventory. Now we'll divide it by current liabilities and enter. Now debt equity ratio. Debt equity ratio is debt divided by capital employed. So debt is here and divided by the capital account. The capital employed and enter. Now gross profit ratio. Gross profit ratio is gross profit divided by sales. Gross profit is here divided by sales and enter. Now net profit ratio. Net profit ratio is net profit divided by sales. Now here net profit divided by sales and enter. Now operating cost ratio. Operating cost ratio is 1 minus net profit ratio. So 1 minus net profit ratio gives us operating cost ratio. Now return on working capital. Return on working capital is net profit divided by working capital. So for this we'll have to calculate working capital. Working capital, as we all know, it is current assets minus current liability. So current asset minus current liabilities will give us working capital. Now here net profit divided by working capital and enter. It will give us return on working capital. Now return on capital employed. Return on capital employed is net profit divided by capital employed. So again we'll go to net profit divided by capital employed and enter. Now inventory turnover ratio. It is cost of goods sold divided by average inventory. So we'll have to calculate both of them first. Cost of goods sold is opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. So opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock and enter. Now we'll have to find out average inventory, which is opening stock plus closing stock divided by 2. So opening stock plus closing stock divided by 2 will give us average inventory. Now inventory turnover ratio, cost of goods sold divided by average inventory and enter. Now working capital turnover ratio is net sales divided by working capital. So the net sales is here divided by working capital and enter. So we are done with all the ratios, I guess this was the easiest topic that we have done so far. Also, don't forget to check out the other topics of MS Excel which I have put on my channel. So thanks for watching, guys.